whatever goals you have right now, so you have set it particular timeline for them. And as of now, when we discuss, this timeline is for 5 years, right?
Yeah.
So why this 5 years? Why do you want to postpone your company for 5 years?
Because it need a lot of resources, no?
Mm-hmm.
So from finance things to other stuff, I need a lot of resources and I have to get some experience in handling clients or the people.
Mm-hmm.
So all this management things I have to learning on, and I should have a strong, like, at least to an extent, knowledge in the market.
Mm-hmm.
So for my company, the finance things I'm doing it partially that I'm starting investing in stock market. So that I can be like financially independent when I leave my job and stick to the goal that I have set for myself.
Mm-hmm.
So just I'm like in gathering resources and then just preparing for it. Like, because when I execute it, it shouldn't lag anything, or I shouldn't get the thought of like going back, because when I stepped into it, it will be the ultimate one. There is no point in going back.
Right. So whatever you have mentioned right now, those are all resources that you need to build your company.
Yeah.
But there is never a problem of resources to anybody. We have to be resourceful. Let's say if right now you don't have people who can carry out the work, so you can come out with some better ways in which you can get that work done, whatever you want to do, by having a freelancers. You need not to appoint them full time, but just get your work done and that's it.
Yeah, that
So
too
by
is
that
also
you are
part.
saving on money as well, and the management of resources as well, right?
Yeah.
For getting more clients, it's not something like after starting your company clients will fall in and they will know that Sushmita have started a new company, and we will all go to her to for our work. At that time also you will have to struggle for clients and get clients, right?
Yeah.
So what you can do right now to get those clients, if you can work out 1 hour or 2 hours after your job to get those clients and get whatever work you are getting out of those clients, get it done from the freelancers. And you also can as you are a Salesforce developer, you also can
Yeah.
deliver some of the solutions. Wouldn't that be a prototype of your business before actually starting it?
Yeah, that can be a choice. Yeah, that is a choice actually.
Yeah, and how much confidence that will give you if you are doing this prototype first and then going into the business. This is one scenario, and another scenario is like you started a business and then you are looking for client where you don't know how to get clients and how to get the work done. In which scenario you will be more successful?
Obviously,
First one, right?
Yeah.
So this
Yeah.
is a small example of how there is no issue of resources, but the problem is with resourcefulness. Whatever we have right now, we can deliver greater solution using the being resourceful at this particular time. And this is a one small example. Definitely when you will be in an event, when you will attend the complete you will be in that environment, you will see how people grow, how what challenges they are facing and how they are overcoming those challenges.